So if you yet haven't caught up to the Tron meme coin hype, in this video we're going to be explaining you guys how to exactly start trading these meme coins and how to get on at the right time, and we're going to be explaining how to identify if a coin has so much potential. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this new trading strategy, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you do want to trade any of these Tron meme coins, do make sure to check out the link down in the description to a Telegram trading bot which we'll be using in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen currently looking at the Tron ecosystem on coinmarketcap.com, and we could see over the past week it has absolutely gone crazy. Look at all of these numbers, absolutely crazy hype behind the meme coin. So let's head over to Sunpump. So if you do not know what Sunpump is yet, this is basically just another version of pump.fun, but instead on the Tron chain. So basically the same thing. You could create your own meme coin, people invest in it until it reaches a certain market cap, and then it gets listed on exchanges. So in this case, the exchange is Sunswap. So this is another basically Tron exchange. You could connect your wallet, which you will need a Tron link wallet. So leaving a link down in the description to that also, where you could download this wallet and connect it, also transfer over some Tron and get started trading today. So basically just another Chrome extension which you will need to transfer over some Tron and start trading. So looking very decent in that case. And if you want to take less risk and don't invest on the very new cryptocurrencies, you could click this and it'll show you the ones already listed on Sunswap, so you could start trading from there instead of trading from here. So you could check that out also, but these are a little less risk. But keep in mind, every meme coin is highly volatile and high risk, so do make sure to do your own research first and make sure you get into the right coin. You could either win it all or lose it all, so be very careful while trading these meme coins. But if you are aware of the risk, you can get started trading on these coins directly from Sunswap. But if you want to snipe these meme coins, we have a trading bot for you guys. So this is a Tron bot, NFT Tron bot. We'll leave a link down in the description to get started on this bot. It is a Telegram trading bot on the Tron chain, so you could use these. You could enter the Sunpump URL on the bot and it'll show you, basically let's just try it once, and it'll show you about the meme coin, and you could buy it right now. So market cap 12,000, liquidity 6,000, and basically your balance. So you could connect your wallet directly from here. It gives you a buy here, and just very straightforward buying and selling bot we have here. So if you do want to check this out, do make sure to check it out from the link down in the description. And another way to look for coins is to use Dex Tools. So you could come to Dex Tools, click this button on the top left right here, and click the Tron chain, so you could filter all the Tron chain coins we have here and see all the coins we have. So they are absolutely going crazy recently. Sunburn currently up 18,000%, 2,000%, 2,000%, and all of these crazy percent, because these are very early meme coins we have here. And we could see that if you would like to look further into a coin, the biggest coin we have right now as of yet is Sundog, currently at a $200 million market cap and around $10-11 million of volume. So let's say, for example, you want to trade this coin. You have already identified that you are interested in this coin and it could do better. So you could go over here, copy the address. You could go over to the Telegram trading bot, paste the address here. Let's click cancel on the first one, and then we could paste the address here again. We could see we have the new coin now, $200 million market cap, liquidity 1.3 million. So directly, very straightforward buying here. You could click buy, and once you connect your wallet, it'll take a little time to go through, and then you will enter a position. So very straightforward instructions on the bot here. And you could use other alternatives like Sunswap as well, but I would prefer this Telegram bot because this is more straightforward and just a better interface overall. You may be familiar with the Telegram trading bots if you have traded with bots in the past. So very convenient, and also you do need a Tron Link wallet, so don't forget that you will need one of these wallets as well. So basically pretty good, absolute crazy hype era we have right here. And do make sure to check out sunpump.meme, absolutely going crazy. We've seen 10x, 100x, and even up to 3000x on the biggest meme coins. So very early to this new hype era, so do make sure to check it out. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we taught you guys how you could start trading these Tron meme coins, which are absolutely blowing up recently. So if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to trade these Tron meme coins, do make sure to check out the Telegram trading bot from the link down in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.